morning students, we are solving figure it out page number 40. The first question is to find the degree measures of the following angles using protractor. So the first question, as you can see, the angle is given, the angle is IHJ. So how to find the measure of this angle? We will take HJ as the baseline and you align your protractor, the center on the vertex and the baseline with the baseline. So how much degree is this? 2 more than 45. So inside 0 we will check. This is the baseline. We will check this 0 as it is going anti-clockwise. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and then 45 and 2 more. So this angle is 47 degree. So how you are marking? You will write this angle is 47 degree. So you can write the angle is, what is the angle? IHJ angle is equal to 47 degree, or you can say JHI, both are same, is equal to 47 degree. So this is the first one. For the second one, so how you will take the base for the second one? For second one we are taking the base. Again it is JHI or IHJ. This is the name of the angle. So HI you can take as the base, the vertex, protractor. It is taught you very well how to use protractor. So this aligning with this 0 and then this is with the vertex. Now you check how much is this? 25, 24 it is. Okay, one less than 25. So this angle is 24 degree. So you will write angle JHI 24 or KHG 24 or GHK 24 degree. Angle IHJ. So as you align with the center, the baseline, so the another ray is falling. This is what it is depicting, less than 110. If you check it minutely, it is going 108 degree. So your third one answer is 108 degree. So the second question is find the degree measure different angles in your classroom using your protractor. That you can see the many objects around, many angles in the classroom and find the angles. The third question, find the degree measures for the angles given below. Check if your paper protector can be used here. You know very well when we use the paper protector, because the paper protector have only 8 divisions. Paper protector have only 8 divisions as 4 folds are there. So after folding 4 times you are getting these 8 divisions and all 8 divisions are equal. So each angle, that means the 180 divided by 8. So each angle is 22.5 degree. Each angle is 22.5 degree. So now we cannot use paper protector here. So this is the baseline. Your HJ is the baseline, and if you align your protractor, this is the vertex and this is the baseline. If you align like this, so we will get what it is, 40, as you can see 43 degree. So this angle is 43 degree. So next is, you can measure these angles in your book, okay, using protractor. This is JHI. So if this is the baseline, use protractor and try to measure. How to use protractor, this is important. So this is the baseline you have done, where the another ray is at 110. After 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this angle is 115 degree. You might get confused with the 85. No, this is 115 degree because it is obtuse angle. Okay, done. The next question is, how can you find the degree of the major angle given below using a protractor? One way, I have told you the way you can extend this. So if you extend this, one way is this, that this angle is how much? 180 degree. This angle is 180 degree, and you can measure using protractor this much and add in 180 degree. Or the another way, the complete angle is 360. If you measure this unmarked angle and subtract from 360, then also you can get the required angle. So now the next is the question number 4. How can you find the degree measures of the angle below using protractor? So how we can find this? The marked angle is given. So if you measure the unmarked angle and subtract from 360, because the complete angle is 360. So the unmarked angle, you measure the unmarked angle. This unmarked angle using protractor, this is on vertex, baseline, and it's coming to you 100 degree. So that means this is your angle. This angle is 100 degree, which is unmarked. At the complete angle is 360 degree. If from 360 degree you minus 100, so you will get 260 degree. So that means this reflex angle measure is 260 degree because it is more than 180 degree. Or what you can do, you can extend this ray or this ray. Okay, if you extend this much is 180 and you can add this measure, or it's better the unmarked angle you measure and subtract from 360, you will get the reflex angle. Next is measure and write the degrees of the following angles. Okay, so how we measure? We use protractor. You know how to use protractor. If this is the protractor, you are not able to fit in this side, so we use this as the baseline. If it is clockwise, angle is clockwise, so we will see how much degree is this. Okay, you check where the second line, the first ray, this 0 we will use outside 0 because the angle is going like clockwise, so it is 80 degree. So your this angle measure is 80 degree. So if you come to the part B, now it's easy. We take this as the baseline and we see the angle. Now we check which is 0 inside 0. So this 0, 10, 20, 30, how much the second ray is? 120. So our second angle is 120 degree. So how to use protractor? This is important to measure these angles. Now the next part, C. So in part C, how we measure? We have taken this as the baseline and the vertex, and the angle is coming how much degree? 60 degree, because we check the inside 0, it is acute angle. Now the part D is the obtuse angle. So if I keep this protractor baseline and the vertex aligning, so if you check, it's coming how much angle it's coming. If you check, this is going to 130 degree. So your second ray is towards 130 degree because outer ray we are checking outer 0. Okay, outer circle. Next is part E. If you check the part E, we use the protractor. How we use the protractor? This is vertex with vertex aligning with the center, this ray, and how much it is. If you check properly, this is also again 130 degree. So this angle is 130 degree obtuse angle. Now your angle F, you use the protractor, mark at the center in this line. How much degree is this? If you see, the one is the baseline, one ray, one arm, and second arm is aligning with 60 degree. So your second angle is 60 degree. So this question is done. Question number 6. We did this. How to solve? Find the degree measures of BXE, CXE, AXB and BXC. So BXE. So you check, this is B, this is X, this is E. So as you can see, XE and XB. So what is the measure of XB? If you check the inner circle, it is 0. What is XB ray? 70. After 70, where it is? We are checking this inner 0. So if inner 0, this is coming between 110 and 120. How much is this? 115 degree. So angle BXE is equal to 115 degree. Now the next angle is CXE. So if you check, this XE is at 0 and this is at 85. So that means angle CXE is equal to 85 degree. AXB, you check, this is AXB. So now we check this 0. Okay, and this 0, it's going clockwise. So this angle measure is 60 and 70 between. So this is how much? It is 65. AXB is equal to 65 degree. Now the last angle is BXC. BXC. So we check the angle, this ray, it is maybe at 65 you can say, or you can say it is at 115. It's for inner and outer circle. And this is, there are two ways, inner or outer. There are two rays, XB and XC. So your XB for inner circle or XC for inner circle. XB, and for outer circle XB, and for outer circle XC. XB for inner circle it is 115 and XC for inner circle is 85. XB for outer circle is 65 and XC for outer circle is, we are going that side, it is 95. So what is the difference? If you see their difference, so this is 0, it is coming 30 degree. Okay, for inner also and for outer also, if you see 95 minus 65, bigger minus smaller, it is also 30 degree. So both the ways the answer is 30 degree. So you have done for inner circle also and for outer circle also. Question number 7. Find the degree measures of PQR, PQS and POT. So PQR, as you see the angle PQ and R. So this angle. So if you use protector, and this is the vertex line, this is the base line. Yes, vertex is a line and the base is done. So if you check, this angle is coming 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Next angle is PQS. So if you check for PQS, a line. Okay, it is coming how much? 100 degree. So this is 100 degree. This complete is 100 degree. Yeah, this one, it is 100 and this small one is 45. Now this angle PQT, the complete angle. If you check this, you can check this as the baseline inner circle. If you check this as the baseline, then you check the outer circle. So this is coming how much? 150 degree. So this is coming how much? 150 degree. Another ray. So this angle is 150 degree. So these questions, 7 questions done. In 8th question, so you have to follow the given instructions. Make the paper craft as per given instruction, then unfold and open the paper fully. Draw lines on the creases made and measure the angles formed. Okay, so you will follow the instruction. First one, you just square sheet paper, fold it, it will become a triangle. Then this, then the third, fourth point, how to fold it, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So cat shape it is, cat mouth, but you have to unfold it and then get and measure the angle. So this is the activity you will be doing by self. Same the question number 9, measure all the three angles of a triangle shown in figure 2:1. This you can measure this angle and this angle using protractor. Now you know how to use the protractor. So if I measure this angle, it is coming to be 45 degree. It is coming 45 degree. If you measure angle C, it's coming from this base, this 0, it is 70 degree. And if you measure angle B using protractor, it is coming 65 degree. So now what it is saying, now add up the three measures. If you add all three, 70, 45 and 65, 5, 5, 10, this is 180 degree. The sum is coming 180 degree. What do you get? You get the sum is 180 degree. Do the same for the triangles in B and C also. So you will measure this and check and then make a conjecture. The sum conjecture will be the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. How much is this angle? It is coming 60, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 3. It is coming out 63 degree. If you measure angle A, how much it's coming? It's coming from here 50. This is also 53 degree. Now come here. This angle B is, it is 60. This is coming from the 0, so it is coming 64 degree. So if you add these all, 53 degree, 63 degree, 64. 3, 3, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 6, 6, 12, 5, 17 plus 1, 80. So it's coming again 180 degree. So yes, the sum is 180 degree. And the last also, if you measure the angle C with the baseline, angle C is coming outer circle. You are measuring outer circle. It is not completely 90. It is 2 less. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is coming 98 degree. If you come to B, the baseline and the vertex, and this is coming 52 degree. This is your 52 degree. If you come to angle A, and you measure, this is how much? It is coming 30 degree. So if you add 98, 52 and 30, 180. So the conjecture is the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So all these 9 questions are done.